How to log in into Tsheets employee account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through the step on how to log in into Tsheets employee account. Tsheets is a new part of the QuickBooks Times. It is a fantastic tool for tracking time and managing schedules. Today we are going to log in into Tsheets employee account. So let's dive in. First of all, open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. In the address bar, type in tsheets.com and press enter. Now, click on the first link that appears in the search bar, which should take you to the Tsheets login page. On the login page, enter your email address associated with your Tsheets account in the first field. Enter your Tsheets password in the second field. Now click on the login button to access your account. Once logged in, you will be directed towards the Tsheets dashboard where you can track your time, view schedule and manage tasks. If you have forgotten your password, click on Forgot Password link on the login page and follow the instruction to reset it. If you encounter any issues, contact HR department or Tsheets support for assistance. And that's it. You have successfully logged in into your Tsheets employee account. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tutorial like this. See you on the next video.